Trying to pick between Taskade and Notion, both are great for organizing work, but which one actually improves productivity without overcomplicating things? Stay until the end of this video to learn which platform is better for fast planning versus deep customization. And I've divided this video into key sections, and first I will cover a platform overview, then we'll look at pricing and costs and more. So let's start with Taskade. And Taskade is founded in 2017 in the US and is a real-time productivity and collaboration app, which is focusing on speed and simplicity. And Notion is launched in 2016 in the US and is an all-in-one workspace built around databases, documents, and flexible block-based editing. And let's take a look at the pricing and the costs. So Taskade offers a free plan with paid tiers starting at around $10 per month for the Pro plan. And you also see that you have the team plan and the enterprise plan. And when you get the free plan, you can get started with an AI project studio, custom AI agents, cross-platform access, unlimited lists and projects, and mind maps, table views, and custom fields. So I would say that this is a really nice way to get started with Taskade to see if this is something for you. When we dive deeper into the plans, we can see that the Pro plan will unlock features and unlimited AI agents, and this is a really big advantage when you compare it to free. You will also get unlimited automations, 2 users, 10 workspaces, and unlimited AI knowledge as well. So the difference between free and Pro is pretty big, but of course, if you want to get started and to try it out, then the free plan is amazing, and it's good that Taskade is offering this. And now let's take a look at Notion. So Notion is also free to start with plans starting at around $10 per month, as you can see, for advanced team features. So the free plan is for individuals to organize personal projects and life, and it's free for individual usage. You have basic forms, basic sites, Notion calendars, and Notion Mail sync with Gmail. So again, also a nice way to get started with Notion for free. But if you're more serious, then you can also look at the Plus plan. This is considered for small teams and professionals to work together, and you will get a lot of unlimited features in this, including collaborative logs, file uploads, and charts. And now let's take a look at some features and tools of Taskade and Notion. So Taskade focuses on speed, checklists, task boards, mind maps, and real-time collaboration in one click. And Notion gives you a deep structure, databases, linked views, and powerful block logic for customized workflows. And let's make a final verdict between these two. And I would say choose Taskade for fast, frictionless team collaboration, and go with Notion if you want a fully customizable system for docs, tasks, and knowledge. And let me know in the comments down below which of these two you like the most and which of these two you're planning on using. Anyway, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.